Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. First, make sure your vehicle's infotainment system is fully powered on. Next, navigate to the phone menu on your central display. Finally, ensure your mobile device has Bluetooth activated and is set to be discoverable for pairing. Once in the phone menu, select the option to connect device or add new device. Your Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 will then search for available Bluetooth devices. When your mobile device appears on the car's screen, select it. A pairing code will display. Confirm this code matches on both your phone and the vehicle. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. On another note, imagine enjoying your favorite books anywhere, even while waiting in your car. The new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere with ease. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. After confirming the pairing code, accept the connection request on your mobile device. Your Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 may then ask for permission to access your phone's contacts and messages. Grant these permissions for full functionality. To ensure everything works, try making a quick call or playing some audio through the car's speakers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.